Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be solving this wonderful Olympiad mathematics question. So I'm going to start by writing 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 all over bracket 1 plus log 2 base 3. Close my bracket and all raised to the power of 2, then put my plus sign. Now I'm going to make this side, now this expression here, a fraction. I'm going to make it a fraction, and the base of the log in the numerator and the denominator will be 3 because the base here is 3 and the base here is 3. So we'll continue. We'll say open bracket log 2 base 3 all over log 6 base 3. Now this is according to the change of base theorem in logarithm. So we continue, all raised to the power of 2. Then we continue, write again 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 all over open bracket 1 plus log 2 base 3, then close my bracket, all raised to the power of 2, then plus. Now I'm going to separate the numerator from the denominator here, and I'm going to do it this way. So we say bracket log 2 base 3, close the bracket and all square, all over. Then this again, we'll continue, open another bracket again. We say log. Now this 6, now I'm going to write it as 3 multiplied by 2. So we open bracket, inside as 3 times 2, then close my bracket, then I'll put my base 3, then my square also. Then we'll continue again. Now we say 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 all over all over 1 plus log 2 base 3 raised to the power of 2 plus, write this again, we say log 2 base 3 square all over, open my bracket again. Now this expression inside, now I'm going to write it like this, that's log 3 base 3 plus log 2 base 3, close my bracket, then raise everything to the power of 2. Then we'll continue again. All right, 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 all over open bracket 1 plus log 2 base 3 raised to the power of 2, then plus, write this again, we'll open another bracket at the top. So here log 2 base 3 all raised to the power of 2 all over open bracket again, log 3 base 3 is what? 1. We have 1 here, then plus log 2 base 3 all raised to the power of 2. Then we'll continue again. Now, since the denominator here is the same, we'll just rule a line. I'm going to rule a line, a straight line. So now I'll pick one of the numerator here. So we'll say, since they are the same, just put it down here. That's 1 plus log 2 base 3 square. Then this divide by this is 1. 1 multiplied by this, I'm going to get 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3. Then plus this divided by this is 1. 1 times this, I'll get log 2 base 3 all raised to the power of 2. Then we'll continue again. I'm going to write this. So we'll say 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus open bracket log 2 base 3 all raised to the power of 2 all over. Now this, now since it is square, I can write it like this. I'll say 1 plus log 2 base 3 multiplied by 1 plus log 2 base 3, then close my bracket. Because of this square here now, so I'm going to make this to multiply itself. Then we'll continue again. I'm going to write this. So say 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus open bracket log 2 base 3 all square all over. My next step now will be to expand this bracket here now. On expansion, I will get 1 times 1, that's 1. On expansion, I will get 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus open bracket log 2 base 3 square. Now I'm going to divide. Why? Because the numerator is the same with the denominator. So when this divide by this, we get 1 as our final solution. So this is my final solution to this question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.